In the small village of Woolsthorpe, England, a young boy named Isaac Newton was born prematurely on a frosty Christmas day in 1642. His early life was fraught with challenges. His father had passed away before he was born, and his mother remarried, leaving Isaac in the care of his grandmother. Despite these hardships, Isaac's curious mind and relentless spirit set him on a path that would change the world. From an early age, Isaac was fascinated by the natural world. He spent hours observing the stars, tinkering with mechanical devices, and reading voraciously. His inquisitiveness often set him apart from other children, earning him the reputation of a loner. However, his solitary nature allowed him to delve deeply into his studies, nurturing the seeds of genius that would soon flourish. At the age of 17, Isaac left for the University of Cambridge, where his thirst for knowledge found a new wellspring. The university was a place where the great minds of the era gathered, and Isaac soaked in their wisdom like a sponge. It was here that he encountered the works of Descartes, Galileo, and Kepler, which ignited a fire within him to understand the universe in a way no one had before. But it was during a break from Cambridge, amidst the quietude of his family's farm, that Isaac's moment of inspiration would strike. As the story goes, one serene afternoon, Isaac sat under an apple tree, contemplating the mysteries of the world. Suddenly, an apple fell from the tree, striking him on the head. While the veracity of this tale remains debated, the symbolism of the apple is undeniable. The falling apple sparked a realization in Isaac's mind. He began to ponder why the apple fell straight to the ground and not sideways or upwards. This simple, everyday event led him to question the very nature of gravity. Isaac's brilliant mind set to work, formulating theories and conducting experiments. He hypothesized that the force pulling the apple to the ground was the same force that governed the movements of the moon and the planets. Isaac's relentless pursuit of understanding culminated in the formulation of his laws of motion and universal gravitation. These groundbreaking principles were published in his seminal work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, or simply the Principia. His laws explain not only the falling apple, but also the intricate dance of celestial bodies in the heavens. Isaac Newton's discoveries revolutionized science. His genius extended beyond physics. He made significant contributions to mathematics, optics, and even alchemy. However, it was his work on gravity that cemented his legacy as one of the greatest scientists of all time. Despite his monumental achievements, Isaac remained humble, often attributing his insights to the work of those who came before him. He famously stated, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." His modesty and dedication to truth serve as an enduring inspiration. Isaac Newton's journey from a small village boy to a towering figure of scientific thought exemplifies the power of curiosity, perseverance, and intellect. His story reminds us that even the simplest observations, like the fall of an apple, can lead to profound discoveries. Newton's legacy lives on, not just in textbooks and scientific theories, but in the spirit of inquiry that drives humanity to explore, understand, and innovate.